Hi friends, I am CA Ushma Jain. In this video, I am going to cover points, rules and regulations related to repatriation of funds by an NRI. So there are two schemes under which funds can be taken out of India. One is Liberalized Remittance Scheme, which is known as LRS scheme, and second is $1 million scheme. If you are a resident, you will be covered under Liberalized Remittance Scheme, which is known as LRS. But if you are non-resident and you are looking to repatriate your own money which is presently in an NRO account in India, you can transfer it to NRE or overseas bank account, then you should go for $1 million scheme. Under this scheme, in one financial year, you can transfer up to $1 million out of India. In India, financial year starts from 1st April and ends at 31st March. Who can transfer funds under this scheme? NRI, POI, OCI, foreign nationals. They all are covered under this scheme. Few points which you should know: that in this scheme no TCS will be applicable. You can't take borrowed funds out of India. You can't transfer funds directly to third party. You can transfer your own funds only. What kind of transfers are allowed? Any funds out of sale of securities, sale of immovable property, rental income, interest income, etc. can be transferred, which are permitted under FEMA law. To get money transfer under this scheme, you have to contact your NRO bank. They will tell you what documents you have to submit to get the transfer done. What documents generally bank ask to do the needful? They generally ask the documents related to source of funds, Form A2 and 15 CACB certificate. What is 15 CACB? 15 CB is a CA certificate which is digitally signed by CA, in which he or she certifies that the funds which NRI wants to take out of India, all taxes are duly paid on these funds. 15 CA is a declaration by remitter which can be filed by login to the remitter income tax login account. In nutshell, if you are looking to transfer your own funds out of India being an NRI, you can do it under 1 million scheme by submitting 15 CACB certificate plus documents related to source of fund and filing form A2. Before transferring this money out of India, you should make sure that you have paid all taxes on these funds duly in India. So guys, if you still have any questions regarding this topic, please feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching this video.